Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the taskbar controls. Right-click an empty area on the taskbar and check whether it is locked. If it is locked, click Unlock so you can move it. Once unlocked, open Settings, go to Personalization, then Taskbar to access alignment and behavior options. You do this because the system sometimes prevents movement when locked or when auto hide is enabled. Making these changes first avoids interruption and lets you place the bar freely at the bottom. Now you move the bar. If unlocked, click a blank part of the taskbar and drag it toward the bottom edge until it snaps. This is quickest for manual placement. Alternatively, in Settings under Taskbar Behaviors, choose Taskbar Location on Screen and select Bottom to force exact placement. Make sure to adjust alignment and auto-hide so icons stay centered or left as you prefer. This is important because alignment affects reachability and visual balance on widescreen displays. Finish by locking the taskbar to prevent accidental moves. Right-click and choose Lock the Taskbar. If the bar won't stay at the bottom, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager. That often restores correct placement. Make sure display scaling and multi-monitor arrangements aren't overriding location, adjust scaling, or set primary display as needed. If problems persist, sign out and back in. That reloads your user session and typically clears persistent layout issues, so the taskbar remains where you set it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.